Morocco has shocked South Africa and stunned the broader African continent by setting a breathtaking new record that few imagined possible just a decade ago. The North African Kingdom is now officially the most industrialized country in Africa. In what many are describing as a historic economic earthquake, Morocco has overtaken South Africa, a country that had firmly held the continent's industrial crown since 2010. The symbolism of this moment is absolutely enormous. For years, South Africa was seen as Africa's untouchable industrial giant, boasting the continent's deepest manufacturing base, strongest mining linkages, and most advanced industrial ecosystem. Yet today, the balance of power is shifting dramatically northwards. How did Morocco manage to accomplish what once seemed impossible? What lessons does this stunning rise hold for the rest of Africa? And could this be the beginning of a completely new industrial era for the continent? This landmark revelation emerged from the African Development Bank's 2025 Africa Industrialization Index, released during the bank's annual meetings in Brazzaville in May 2026. The highly respected report examined industrial development across all 54 African countries between 2010 and 2024, using an extensive and multidimensional framework. The rankings were not based on a single metric, but on a sophisticated combination of factors including industrial performance, manufacturing output, exports, value addition, infrastructure quality, investment levels, education, access to finance, business climate, macroeconomic stability, policy effectiveness, inflation management, public debt levels, and the overall rule of law. Morocco achieved an astonishing score of 0.8415 points, narrowly edging out South Africa's 0.8396. The margin may appear tiny, but the significance is gigantic. Morocco's recent economic performance has been nothing short of mind-blowing. While many African economies continue relying heavily on raw commodity exports, Morocco aggressively repositioned itself as a manufacturing and export powerhouse deeply integrated into global value chains. The kingdom pursued relentless industrial upgrading, export diversification, and strategic industrial policies that are now paying off spectacularly. Automotive exports alone recently surged to approximately $13.3 billion, making cars one of Morocco's largest export sectors. Aerospace exports climbed by more than 17% to around $2.2 billion, while phosphate and fertilizer exports rose to nearly $6.9 billion. These are not ordinary numbers. They represent an extraordinary economic transformation driven by careful planning and aggressive industrial ambition. Morocco also benefited from strong infrastructure development, political stability, strategic trade agreements with Europe and the United States, and targeted incentives designed to attract global investors. At a time when many countries were struggling to industrialize, Morocco was methodically building industrial ecosystems capable of competing internationally. At the same time, South Africa has faced a series of structural problems that gradually weakened its industrial dominance. Years of severe electricity shortages and load shedding created enormous uncertainty for manufacturers and investors. Logistics bottlenecks affecting ports and rail networks severely disrupted trade flows and supply chains. Rising operational costs, governance challenges, corruption scandals linked to state capture, deteriorating infrastructure, and skills mismatches all contributed to declining industrial competitiveness. Although South Africa remains one of Africa's most advanced economies with strong capabilities in sectors such as mining and automobile manufacturing, its momentum has slowed considerably. The contrast between the two countries could hardly be sharper. While Morocco accelerated with discipline and long-term strategy, South Africa struggled with deep structural inefficiencies that steadily eroded its once commanding lead. The industries driving Morocco's rise are themselves astonishing examples of what African industrialization can achieve when backed by vision and execution. The automotive sector stands at the very center of Morocco's industrial miracle. The country has become Africa's leading car manufacturer, hosting massive facilities operated by global giants such as Renault in Tangier and Stellantis in Kenitra. These factories produce hundreds of thousands of vehicles annually for export markets, especially Europe, while generating thousands of skilled jobs and creating deep local supply chains. Morocco's aerospace sector is equally extraordinary. Global aviation giants including Boeing suppliers and Airbus-linked manufacturers have established operations in the kingdom, transforming Morocco into an emerging aerospace hub producing aircraft components and maintenance services for international markets. Few could have imagined decades ago that an African country would become a critical node in global aerospace manufacturing, yet Morocco has made this a reality. Then comes fertilizers and phosphates, another colossal pillar of Morocco's economic strength. The kingdom possesses the world's largest phosphate reserves and has leveraged them brilliantly through OCP Group, which has transformed Morocco into a global leader in phosphoric acid and fertilizers. Rather than merely exporting raw phosphate, Morocco invested heavily in downstream processing, value addition, and green ammonia initiatives, allowing it to capture far greater economic value. Tourism has also played a major supporting role, with millions of visitors fueling investments in hotels, transport infrastructure, food processing, construction materials, and services. Massive investments in renewable energy, especially solar and wind projects, modern highways, industrial zones, ports like Tangier Med, and logistics infrastructure have further strengthened Morocco's industrial ecosystem. Together, these industries are driving impressive economic growth while positioning the kingdom as one of Africa's most globally connected economies. Perhaps the most encouraging aspect of this historic development is what it means for Africa as a whole. Healthy competition among African nations is something the continent desperately needs. Industrialization is not simply about prestige or rankings. It creates jobs for millions of young people, reduces poverty, strengthens currencies, boosts exports, drives technological innovation, increases resilience against global shocks, and allows countries to move beyond dependence on raw commodity exports. The continent that industrializes is a continent that transforms itself economically and politically. Morocco's rise should therefore serve as a wake-up call and an inspiration to every African government. Countries across the continent should now be asking themselves difficult but necessary questions. How can we strengthen our infrastructure? How can we improve education and skills development? How can we create business environments that attract investment? How can we build industries that add value rather than merely exporting raw materials? The race for industrial supremacy in Africa is now more alive than ever, and every country should aspire to challenge Morocco's crown. In the end, Morocco deserves enormous praise for this astonishing achievement. This success did not happen overnight. It was the result of years of intentional policies, disciplined execution, and long-term national planning. Through initiatives such as the Industrial Acceleration Plan, aggressive infrastructure investments, strategic trade partnerships, renewable energy expansion, industrial zone development, export diversification, and targeted support for priority sectors, the kingdom systematically built the foundations of a modern industrial economy. Morocco's rise proves beyond doubt that African countries can achieve extraordinary transformation when leadership, planning, and execution align. Its careful and deliberate approach is now paying off in spectacular fashion. As the kingdom celebrates this historic milestone, the rest of Africa should study its model closely. Morocco has shown that the future of African industrialization is not a dream. It is already happening. The only question now is which country will rise next to challenge the new industrial king of Africa. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Morocco overtaking South Africa to become Africa's most industrialized country? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.